My apps is ano,
Huh?
is magulo. My apps is ano? Hello?
Yes.
Shower cup?
Okay.
Here. 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 No. No. Your sunglass. I have. Yeah.
Okay.
My apps is ano,
Huh?
is magulo. My apps is ano? I don't know. I don't know to speak English.
You can't speak English?
Yes. Uh,
What's the problem?
uh,
No, you,
I pick up you, then the waist is ayaw.
wait, let me wear glasses.
I stop the side door, then I fix this. I stop. I
Uh,
because
Destination here.
yes,
You can,
straight.
yeah, go straight, go straight.
Straight ahead.
Uh,
32. I ano.
do click the pick up.
Yes, it's
So
wrong, no?
maybe,
There's something wrong.
yeah. Also, yeah, in my,
Oh, okay.
this is
I
wrong.
oh yeah.
No problem. We can search in Google.
Ah, ah. Kaloka tong apps ko. Pindot ko na yung ano, pick up, pero nagpo-proceed pa rin siya doon sa yung ways niya po, nagpo-proceed papunta pa rin sa pick up, hindi doon sa drop off. Buti mayroong anino. Ayun, sinundan ko na lang yung anino, 'di ba kapag papunta tayo sa pick up location, nakikita na natin yung drop off. Ay nako.
Here, turn
Okay. Tapos yung pasahero ko, Inglesero pa. Ah, I don't know how to English.
behind that car.
Oh. Sa front or sa back? Back or front? Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, thank you so much.